Happy Monday! I hope that you all have had a fantastic weekend. Today I'll be sharing a very fun and, in my opinion, pretty teal to black gradient with some bronze stamping. If you'd like to see how I came up with this look, keep on watching. For the base of my nail art, I'll be going in and using Essie, Where's My Chauffeur, which is a gorgeous turquoise cream polish. As you all know, usually when I do gradients, I do go ahead and use white as my base, but I figured I'd go ahead and use the lighter color this time around just to make things a bit easier. And to help speed up the drying process, I'll be using my favorite top coat by Girly Cosmetics called What a Rush. And before I go ahead and get started doing my gradient nail art, I'll be protecting my cuticles by using Girly Cosmetics Border Patrol, which will definitely help to make the cleanup process easier. For the gradient, I'll be going in and using Color Club Where's a Soiree along with Essie, Where's My Chauffeur, and a latex-free cosmetic wedge. And as you can see, I'm just applying the colors vertically on the sponge and making sure that there's enough polish to help make the gradient blend nicely. For the gradient, I'll be going in and using a rolling and dabbing motion to help blend the colors together, and I probably do this about 2 or 3 times until I get the opacity that I would like. And now that I've gone in and done whatever little bit of cleanup needed to be done, I'll be going in and applying another thin coat of Girly Cosmetics Water Rush top coat to help speed up the drying process before my stamping. And before I go on with my stamping, I'll be applying another coat of Girly Border Patrol around my cuticles. The image that I'll be using for the stamping is from Born Pretty L05 stamping plate, and this plate has so many gorgeous full-sized images that can be used. And for the stamping color, I'll be going in and using Mundo de Una's copper polish, and it's actually a really gorgeous color. Ignore my bottle, I had a bit of an accident. And for the stamping, I'll be going in and using my trusty clear jelly stamper, Big Bling. I swear by this stamper, guys. Now, most times after I've picked up the image, based on the stamper that I'm using, I will either press the image down or going with a rolling motion. But as you can tell, this time I had to do a press down to transfer the image onto my nails. And now that I've gotten everything all cleaned up, I'll be applying one final coat of Girly Cosmetics What a Rush top coat. And there we have it for this turquoise and black with copper stamping nail art look. I absolutely love how much this turned out. It was so easy yet so much fun for me to do. If you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up or thumbs down, and always the products that I have used will be listed down below. If you have any comments and or questions, please feel free to leave them and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And as always, guys, stay glamorous.